The tri-tip. This cut of meat can be tricky to cook, for multiple reasons. The first of which, it's not exactly the most even when it comes to thickness. But first things first, we're just gonna give it a nice coating with a neutral oil and a generous seasoning on both sides. Now I'm aiming to cook this all inside one tray because I want this to be easy, so I'm just gonna set it at a broil for about 6 minutes so that I can get this gorgeous sear. Once I'm happy with that, I'm gonna use this thermometer, lucky for me, my oven has one built in, to aim to cook this at the right internal temperature, but more importantly, so that I can cook this at a nice low temperature. Because remember, it has an uneven thickness. And as soon as it's ready, and boy, is she ready, we're gonna transport it to our tray and then immediately start slicing. Just kidding. Cooking is a lot of trauma on meat, so it needs at least 10 minutes to relax so that you can get the most out of your meat. So in the meantime, we're gonna make a nice creamy horseradish sauce. Start by searing your horseradish with some garlic before deglazing with a little bit of white wine. Add in a little bit of spices and finally your cream. Cook it till it's just thick enough before you start stirring in your herbs and you're set. The grain of the tri-tip goes in 2 different directions. So you want to slice along this no man's land to separate the pieces. Now to show you why this is important, I'm going to slice with the grain and against the grain, so we can have a look at how these two behave differently. As you can see, with the grain is a lot denser than without the grain. Now imagine you're chewing. That seems pretty tough, but that seems pretty tender. And that's extra important when you consider that our thinner parts of the meat are going to be cooked a little more than our thicker parts. Finally, time to eat. Let us know in the comments if this was helpful. We love sharing tips with you guys, especially tri-tip, because when it's done right, oh man, is it good. Cheers, guys.